Welcome to Kawartha Backyard Farms, all you gorgeous garden gnomes. The groundhogs have called for 6 more weeks of winter, but at least we have all those seeds that we've ordered to look forward to. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get Canadian grown seeds to support your 2025 gardens. After looking into so many great Canadian businesses across Canada, it became apparent that covering all of them was going to be an impossible task. So for this video, I'm going to focus primarily on Ontario, as that is where I live. There are also so many great Canadian businesses that offer other gardening products such as trees, shrubs, bulbs, garlic, tools, and other equipment. But for this video, I'm going to focus on businesses that are offering locally grown vegetables, fruit, and flower seeds. This is by no means an exhaustive list of all of the great businesses that are available to you to purchase seeds from, but they are 10 businesses that I found using the Seeds of Diversity business map. There are so many others, but these 10 that I'm showing you today are ones that fit some arbitrary criteria that I created to kind of narrow it down and keep this video relatively short. The first was the design of the website, and I get that not every small business is going to have the budget to create a professionally looking website or to hire somebody to create that website for them. But I also think that having a neat and clean website, if that is the route that you're going to sell your seeds through, is very important. Second was the variety of products. As I've already mentioned, there are many great Canadian gardening companies that offer tools and other gardening equipment. For this video, I primarily focused on businesses that sell vegetables, fruit, and herb, and occasionally flower seeds. If you are looking for companies that offer bulbs, trees, or other plants, please let me know in the comments below and I will make another video. Finally, the checkout process was another criteria. Many of the businesses on this list utilize checkout apps like Google Pay, PayPal, or ShopPay. The businesses that I left out either used a checkout that involved inputting more data or only accepted e-transfer, check, or cash. First off, please know that none of these businesses have sponsored this video, and I have not received any financial incentive to speak kindly of any of these. If you are not in Ontario, I highly recommend that you check out Seeds of Diversity first to look for local seeds. Seeds of Diversity is a non-profit organization with the mission of saving rare seeds and keeping diversity in our food system. Along with posting CD Saturday and CD Sunday events to their website, they also have a map that locates many small seed companies throughout Canada. They also offer a program called Community Grow Out, where you can receive some free rare seeds to grow at home for the purpose of saving seeds. To participate in this program, they do want growers to return some seed they have saved so that the variety can be continued. But you can also keep some to grow in the future. Next up are in-person events such as seed sales and CD Saturdays and Sundays. CD events are often run by community support organizations or other community groups like horticulture societies, garden clubs, nonprofits, or just a group of locals. Seed sales like these offer an event where it's easy for customers to meet many local business owners. If you are in the city of Kawartha Lakes or within driving distance of Bob Cajun, I invite you to join us at the Bob Cajun Seed Sale on Saturday, March 1st. This event will have vendors offering seeds, worms, and worm castings, gardening tools, landscaping services, and artisanal products. These types of events typically have deep local connections and are sometimes run in support of community programs. For example, the Bob Cajun Seed Sale will be collecting donations of non-perishable food items in support of the Bob Cajun Helps Food Bank. Carrick Seeds is a family-run operation located in Bruce County. Though they are not certified organic, which in my opinion isn't a big deal, they do use organic and sustainable farming practices. They produce a variety of legumes, grains, oil seeds, squash, roots, onions, leafy greens, fruiting veg, herbs, flowers, and some non-seed items. Their website is clean and easy to navigate, though they don't use one of the previously mentioned checkout apps. I think the checkout process is also straightforward. Matthew Forbes, barber by trade, founded Saturday Seed Co. during the global pandemic that forced him out of work. Located in Guelph, Matthew produces a wide variety of organic seed while pursuing his mission of empowering individuals to grow their own food. Saturday Seed Co. offers one of the largest selections of vegetable, herb, and flower seeds. Saturday Seed Co. offers one of the largest selections of vegetable, herb, and flower seeds on this list. The website is nice and clean and easy to navigate. Further, they offer Shop Pay and Google Pay accounts to make checkout easier on the customer. Hawthorne Farm is dedicated to providing high-quality seeds, plants, and gardening supplies, specializing in organic, heirloom, and open-pollinated varieties. They aim to support sustainable gardening practices and connect customers with nature through their products. Their farm is focused on cultivating a variety of vegetables, herbs, and flowers, prioritizing health, biodiversity, and environmentally friendly farming practices. They also offer a selection of gifts, custom collections, and resources for gardeners of all levels. Their website is clean and professional, and bonus points as well for having Shop Pay, PayPal, and Google Pay to check out. Franken Farm is an organic seed farm located in the northern Bruce Peninsula, Ontario, run by Megan Franken. The farm specializes in heirloom, endangered, and native vegetable and flower varieties, emphasizing sustainability, regenerative agriculture, and seed preservation. The farm seeks to protect plant diversity threatened by monoculture practices. Megan, an environmental science graduate with a passion for small-scale farming, integrates traditional methods with modern organic techniques. Franken Farm also fosters community engagement and provides education on seed saving. The farm supports inclusivity, focusing on issues like queerness and disability in the farming community. Franken Farm offers a nice variety of vegetable, fruit, herbs, and flower seeds. The checkout process is also nice and easy while using Shop Pay. Seeds of Inbulk is dedicated to preserving and promoting heirloom, organic, and biodiversity supporting seeds. The farm's mission is to reconnect people with nature, educate about sustainable food practices, and protect food security. The founder, passionate about seed stewardship and connectedness with the earth, has been involved in horticultural societies and runs workshops to share knowledge on gardening and seed saving. They offer fresh, locally grown flowers and rare heirloom seeds, emphasizing the importance of protecting endangered varieties and fostering ecological awareness through community involvement. Urban Tomato, located in Peterborough, offers a curated selection of locally grown heirloom seeds, cultivated with organic methods on her urban farm in Peterborough, Ontario. Jill is passionate about seed saving and enhancing seed sovereignty, actively organizing Peterborough Seedy Sunday and hosting workshops on seed saving. She believes that saving seeds is crucial for preserving history, adapting to climate change, and supporting local food security. Jill emphasizes the importance of growing resilient, adaptable plants and encourages others to either save their own seeds or support those who do, as the right to save heirloom seeds faces growing challenges. Though titled Urban Tomato, they also offer many other vegetable and fruit and herb seeds. Floribunda Seeds specializes in providing quality heirloom seeds for gardeners who appreciate sustainable, non-GMO varieties. Their mission is to support biodiversity by offering a range of rare, open-pollinated plants. They emphasize environmentally friendly growing practices and aim to help people cultivate plants that are both beautiful and practical. Floribunda Seeds focuses on customer service and sharing knowledge to foster a more self-sufficient, eco-conscious gardening community. Bare Root Gardens focuses on sustainable vegetable seed production, offering locally adapted, hand-packaged seeds that thrive in northern climates. They emphasize the importance of using seeds suited to local conditions for strong yields and resistance to pests. Their seeds are grown on their property in Verona, Ontario. The team is led by Kate Jocelyn, with expertise in biology, and Pat Jocelyn, experience in organic farming and seed genetics. Bare Root Gardens aims to contribute to a more resilient and sustainable food system. Kitchen Table Seed House is based in Wolfe Island, Ontario, where they grow organic vegetables, herbs, and flowers on 3 acres of land. Their crops are certified organic and managed with crop rotation to ensure pest control and seed purity. They specialize in offering high-flavor varieties suited to Zone 5 climates, aiming to inspire people to grow and share food with loved ones. The founders, Kathy and Annie, combine their passion for farming, cooking, and sharing meals to produce quality seeds that thrive in organic systems. They are also members of the National Farmers Union and the Ecological Farmers Association of Ontario. The Superior Gardener, located in Sault Ste. Marie in northern Ontario, offers a unique seed experience with seeds that are exclusively grown and produced on-site. Their homegrown organic seeds are tailored to northern climates, reflecting a commitment to authenticity and quality. By cultivating every vegetable, herb, and flower seed themselves, they provide a truly local and sustainable gardening experience, inspired by the beauty of Lake Superior. Lindsay is a passionate Canadian gardener who enjoys life with her family, chickens, and ducks in her backyard. She has been gardening for as long as she can remember and loves sharing her unique gardening methods with others, emphasizing that the size of the land doesn't matter, but how it's used. All seeds she offers are grown organically and sustainably, harvested with care and free from chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. She also captures all the photos for her seed shop. Lindsay is open to feedback and questions through social media or email. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this content and you are going to be purchasing some seeds from these great businesses, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave us a comment below telling us what you are excited to grow this season. Have a great day. Bye.